Hello, we are from Group 213 and we're going to talk about drug addiction and its consequences. Drug addiction, also called substance use disorder, is a disease that affects a person's brain and behavior and leads to an inability to control the use of a legal substance or illegal drug or medication. Substances such as alcohol, marijuana, and nicotine are also considered drugs. When you're addicted, you may continue using the drug despite the harm it causes.
The marijuana, also called weed, is a greenish-gray mixture of the dry flower of Cannabis sativa. The marijuana have various physiological and psychological effects in the body, but the most common effect is that the user starts a pleasant euphoria and sense of relaxation.
Cocaine is a stimulant that affects the brain. This substance is extracted from the shrub Erythroxylum. It is sold as white powder, and some effects are euphoria, energy, lack of appetite and sleep, and eventually death.
LSD is an extremely potent hallucinogen. It is synthetically made from lysergic acid, which is found in ergot, a fungus that grows on rye and other grains. It is so potent, its doses tend to be in microgram range. Its effects, often called a trip, can be stimulating, pleasurable, and mind-altering, or can lead to unpleasant, sometimes terrifying experience called a bad trip. It is odorless, colorless, and has a slightly bitter taste.
Heroin is an opioid drug made from morphine, a natural substance taken from the seed pod of the various opium poppy plants. Heroin enters the brain rapidly and binds to the opioid receptors on cells located in many areas, especially those involved in feelings of pain, pleasure, and in controlling heart rate, sleeping, and breathing.
Amphetamine is a powerful, highly addictive stimulant that affects the central nervous system. It is a form of the drug that looks like glass fragments or shiny bluish-white rocks. Perplejo often take repeated doses in a binge and crash pattern. It increases the amount of the natural chemical dopamine in the brain. Dopamine is involved in the body movement, motivation, and reinforcement of rewarding behaviors. It can also cause a decrease of appetite, faster breathing, rapid or irregular heartbeat.
Tobacco is a legal drug that can be smoked or chewed. The addiction for tobacco is mainly caused by substance contained in cigarettes called nicotine. The addiction to tobacco can cause lung cancer, heart problems, diabetes, eye, teeth, and mouth problems.
Alcohol abuse can cause a loss of balance as well as memory and emotional response issues. Also, high blood pressure and an irregular heartbeat. Sometimes the harmful effects aren't discovered until much later in life, making it difficult to reverse many health complications.
The consumption of drugs may cause long and short term effects for your body. That's why we recommend you to not use them.